Okay, before we go on the test drive, I'll fire it up and you can hear it run. We'll show you it running. She's a sweet machine. Very smooth. And we're gonna listen to the exhaust. It's got a bone stock exhaust, just like the factory put on there. It's got the GT exhaust. It's really, really nice. We can make it a lot louder with a different exhaust. That's the nice stock sound right there. All right, let's go take the test drive. Okay, it's late in the day, but we're going to get this video for you as promised. And yeah, I'm actually going to get to drive it. I didn't think we would. It was so cold, but sun popped out. I'm dressed a little warm to help deal with the cold that does still exist. But yeah, here we go. I'm going to go on a test drive. I love this car. So I'm back here in this neighborhood, and this just does not feel like a vintage car of any kind, much less a vintage Mustang. Yes, if I put it to the test like I would maybe a modern car, it would exhibit some of its age. But in terms of just cruising, it's fantastic. It's unbelievable, in fact. But here we go. Good acceleration. Super good shifts. Yeah. This is a happy little 289. It's got a factory type exhaust, very quiet, very well mannered. You could get some rumble out of this with a different exhaust. The exhaust that's on it is it's just friendly to the ear. Doesn't have the rumble that I like. Okay, I'm going to do a U-turn here and go back the other way. And yeah, this will be a one-hand U-turn. Of course, no problem whatsoever. Instantly back up to speed. Very impressive car. You know, the fact is, when you've had dozens and dozens of these cars, you become quite an expert at the feel and the sounds, the ride, just the entire experience. You know what to expect, and you know when you're in one type of car or another in terms of quality. And this one is of the highest, absolute top shelf quality I think that one can achieve with one of these cars. It's, I'm gonna say it's superior to the experience when new. I know it's got some fit and finish and materials that are superior to what they had 60 years ago. Yeah, it's an impressive car. Woo. All right, just hit third gear, and she met with the speed limit and then some, quickly and easily. So we're going highway speed, and it's at about 2,500 RPM. Lovely. Okay, now the real test is this road right here. Look at this road. It is a patchwork of repairs. I mean, this road is there's the new road over there. They're replacing this bombed out, beat out road right here. Not a sound. Listen to this. I mean, these are horrible, horrible patches. Not shaking, not rattling, not colliding with itself. The only sound I hear at all are the tires making contact with the pavement. Yeah, it's tight. It is ridiculously tight. Okay, so that's it for the test drive. I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of fun behind the wheel of a convertible of this quality. So go to our website, check us out, qualityclassics.com. I think you'll love the kind of cars my son and I deal in. Special cars of this caliber right here. The rare, higher option, well-built cars are well-preserved cars. We may have something that you'll fall deeply in love with, or you may have something that we will fall in love with. Let us know. Also, if you like the video, please click like. That helps us with our videos and our content, and we're happy to make these videos. I wish we could make more of them. In any event, come back often. Adios.